Today is the 2nd of August and this is gonna be my last day in Cusco because I'm going on one more excursion tomorrow. I'm going to Pallay Punchu, which is like a special mountain, which is like the Rainbow Mountain but much cooler, and we'll have much less tourists. And I'm not going alone. That's why I booked this little hotel room with 2 beds, because there's gonna be a girl coming with me and she's arriving from Lima to here today, and I'm gonna cut this out, but she's the love of my life. I actually bought her the ticket so she can come visit me, and then I'm gonna rent a car later and we're gonna drive to Pallay Punchu mountain tomorrow, stay there, go up the next day in the morning, and then come back to Cusco. And then the following night I'm gonna drop her off at the airport, she's going home, and the next day I'm gonna go to Ecuador. I'm gonna go to the central market again, gonna eat some ceviche, that's what I feel like eating, and then get some flowers, and then later go to the airport and get the car and pick her up.
¿Hay una flor más o está bien de esto?
Pues esa la roja también.
¿Esta de acá?
Sí. Now it almost stopped. I got some churros for 5 soles and flowers for Jennifer. And these were 40 soles, so maybe $12, $13. I think she liked them. I bought some Ponche de Abas, no idea what it is. Tastes a little bit like cinnamon. And all of this is happening on this little plaza in front of this church, which overlooks the entirety of Cusco. We're on the way to Pallay Punchu and we came across this archaeological park, and I'm here with Jennifer. You don't have to pay entrance or anything.
Esto es pre-inca, esto es inca. Inca y pre-inca. Pre-inca. Los Juárez hacían con esta piedra y los incas con esto.
Bueno. Subimos la puente pre-inca. So this whole construction here is basically a bridge for this aqueduct, which used to take water along this mountain to some other side over here. The scenery doesn't really change. We're now 2 hours in and 2 more hours to go, and it's all of this dry mountain slope. Sometimes you have little villages in between, sometimes it's just the mountains. It all looks the same to me. We just got off the main road, which is over here, and now it's 14 more miles on this dirt road. And there's no signal here, there's no more signs, there's nothing. So I'm just relying on GPS, which says offline and taking us in the middle of nowhere. We just found some vicuñas. They're tagged on their ears, but they look wild. It looks like wood chips. There's this huge herd of vicuñas or alpacas or llamas. I want to go closer and say hi to the shepherd.
Sí, tiene un perro.
Buenas tardes. ¿Y son de ustedes? ¿Y todos los días van a caminando por aquí?
Sí. ¿Cómo?
¿Cuántos son?
200, creo.
200. ¿Y el perro cómo se llama?
Diga.
¿El perro cómo se llama?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. so beautiful. We've reached our final destination, which is the small town of Layo. And surprisingly, there's like no cars here except us. We're looking for a place to eat and a place to stay for tonight. Seems kind of difficult to find, honestly. We had 3 food choices. We went into this chicken shop and now we have chicken liver and chicken foot soup. ¿Cómo están?
Alilancho.
¿Cómo?
Alilancho.
No entiendo. We were unsuccessfully looking for something sweet. There's literally nothing in this entire town. So now we're here at the lake. Yeah, I like that one. So one of these mountains here has to be Pallay Punchu. The sky turned like purple. It's weird. I forgot to show you guys the luxury experience of 25 soles a night. So we got our own room. The bed was kind of comfy, but these alpaca blankets are scratchy. Anyways, so it's this kind of complex. You go down here. This is the bathroom with a glass door. And then we're here. That's a shop from the Layo, this building. Buenos dias. We're trying to find breakfast, but all of the restaurants are already sold out. So now we're here at the local market, just looking around. And someone just came by with a wheelbarrow with a skinned alpaca, and I'm following him. ¿Eso es una alpaca? ¿O vicuña o lama qué es? Alpaca. Some chicken soup and, I don't know, meat. We're now almost at the trailhead and we stopped here on the road because there's this white stuff on the field and I didn't believe her. She said it's ice. And she's right. Apparently, at night it gets so cold that it freezes. Didn't feel like it. We're just following the road and I think we can get until here. And then we walk along the mountain range. It's getting pretty narrow, but you can see the coloration of the mountains. So there actually is a road all the way over here, and there's parking, and there's other people. So as difficult as it is to get here, they have a little bit of touristical infrastructure. And now we're gonna walk along this mountain range where all the colors are, and then to these spiky tops. This is why it's called the Rainbow Mountain.
Niña Chay, dijiste que me querías. Niña Chay, ¿por qué me mentías? Niña Chay, dijiste que volverías. Niña Chay, ¿por qué me mentías?
There's no more path to get up, so it's a free for all. Find your own way. I made a decision. We're not going all the way here. This is far enough. It's already getting late and we're very exhausted. And we have to drive back 5 hours to Cusco anyways. So this is as far as we'll go this time. Sube!
Me pertenecía, niña Chay. sabes cuánto te quiero, niña Chay, cuánto te amo, niña Chay, tú sabes que soy tu dueño, niña Chay, vuelve. Si tu amor me pertenecía.
That was nice. ¿Te gustó? But I wouldn't come here from Cusco in one day and return the same day. The scenery on the way here is nice, especially if you stay down here in Layo. You get a pretty late view as well for the evening. But it's a long journey, but it's worth it. This is a very unique and beautiful location for sure. But be aware, this is 4,600 meters high. And not only am I sick from before, I'm pretty sure I'm having struggles again from the altitude. Vamos a dejar una ofrenda acá. We're gonna leave an offer. And right there in a circle. Para el Puchamama? Pachamama. Pacamaru. Gracias a la Madre Tierra por la montaña bonita. Turns out we don't have to go this way down again because there's another road connecting the site with the main road where we headed off from yesterday. So we're gonna save ourselves like an hour and a half.